If you're having trouble with Discord overlay not working properly, this video will show you exactly how to report the issue inside the Discord PC app, step by step. Reporting the problem helps Discord understand what's going wrong, whether the overlay is not appearing, lagging, crashing, or behaving differently in a specific game or full screen mode. So if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the Discord PC app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you continue, especially if you use Discord for gaming across multiple devices. Once Discord opens, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click the Settings icon. This takes you into User Settings, where you can manage your account, voice, notifications, and overlay options. From the Settings menu on the left side, scroll until you find Game Overlay and click it. This is the section where Discord controls its in-game overlay feature, and it's also where you'll find the reporting option if something is going wrong. When the Game Overlay page opens, look for the Report option and click it. Discord will then ask you to describe the overlay issue you're experiencing. This part is important because the more accurate your report is, the easier it is for Discord to understand and investigate the problem. Now select the type of overlay issue you're facing. For example, it could be a display issue, a visibility problem, performance lag, or another overlay-related bug. Choose the option that best matches what you're seeing in-game. After that, enter the steps and details. Try to explain exactly what happens when the issue appears, what you were doing when it started, and whether it happens every time or only sometimes. If possible, include the actions that trigger the problem, because that helps support teams reproduce the issue faster. Next, choose which game the overlay issue is happening in. This is really useful because overlay problems can affect one game but work perfectly in another. Selecting the correct game helps narrow down the cause. Then select the type of full screen mode you were using, whether it was exclusive full screen, borderless full screen, or windowed mode. This detail can make a big difference when diagnosing overlay issues. Once you've filled out all the required information, review everything one more time to make sure it's clear and accurate. After that, click Submit. Discord will send your report with the details you provided, so the issue can be reviewed. And that's it. You've now reported an overlay problem in Discord the right way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.